Hi guys, welcome to Sharvisin channel. Good evening to all. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 stocks about stock analysis. So these 5 stocks will be chance to uptrend tomorrow. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. Don't miss it out. Let's go now. So if you are a newcomer, subscribe our channel and like this press button. Let's go now directly stock analysis. So first I'm taking a Polycab India Limited. So Polycab is now going a uptrend movement. So see here, today it shows some red candle, even though it will be above the trend line. So don't worry about this. So it will be definitely good investment stock. I am saying here because of this already break out this trend line. Now it will be upward moment. So towards it will be touch. First touch will be 1727. So first target would be you can fix at 1727. Second target will be at 1855. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. Your stop loss will be maintained at 1595. So this is good stock for investment. Don't try to intraday, but it will be I'm suggesting for only investment stock. So add it to your portfolio and watch it regular basis. So it will be go upward direction. So that I'm again and again telling you this will a good chance for investment. So next stock will be watch out Havels India. So see here Havels India also today has been breakout trend line. See here. So this is a good sign of entry our trade tomorrow. So this is a good sign for us. So you can entry at today closed at 1072. You can entry at tomorrow if after this candle thousands yes 75. You can entry at here. It may be go up to 1226. So definitely this stock will be added to your portfolio and watch it. It may like this. It may go like this. So don't fear about this. You can use it for swing trading on short term or long term. This also very good stock. They are manufacturing fans, electric lights, like electrical appliances. So Havels India is a good company. Don't worry about this. You can utilize this company for a short term purpose. So add it to your portfolio and watch it. Tomorrow it will be good sign out. So next stock will be IRCTC. See here, IRCTC so far a fall trend. Last few days after it will be given some good sign here. So tomorrow if break out this horizontal line sub resistance, so 1035. Now 1835. It will break out 1841. After that you can enter. It will be go up to 1995 first target, and maybe it will be go up to 2210. So for a long term trader you can use it. Short term trader you can use it up to 9995. So use this stock for opportunity for short term traders and swing traders. So this is one of our portfolio, need to add it. And another stock is Minda Industry. So Minda Industry is also they are manufacturing of automobile components like electrical lights for vehicles and other auto components, same like Motherson Sumi. So this company also very good uh, performance now. So see here, good breakout happened today. So see our Fibonacci also retracement, it will showing good uptrend movement. So if you are a short term trader you can up to use for the stock 639. So this is short term trader. If you are a long term trader you can wait for up to 800. It may touch up to 800 level also. So So this is for a good investment stock also. You can utilize it, and this is also one of the my favorite stocks. You can add it to your portfolio and watch it out. Tomorrow it may be breakout given at this price level 580, then you can enter. After that your target will be fixed at 639. So first target will be fixed at 639 or 640. Also you can keep your stop loss at 538. So you can add it to your portfolio and watch it tomorrow. Next one is Bell Bharat Electronics, the government sector company. The government sector company is it is also a very upturn movement now. See here, double bottom uh, formed here, so you can enter at this price level, no issue. So 155 is a correct price. You can enter today or tomorrow, then it will may go up to 170 and 180 level. So definitely this will go up to 180 level, so you can earn 25 points within 1 month. So you can get some profit in short term trading. So use it for short term. This stock will be good movement in upward direction. So add it to your portfolio and watch it, don't miss it out. So I hope you understand this video and enjoy this subject. Thank you for all, thank you for watching. Support to me, for subscribe to me, and please press the like button. This like kind of videos will be regular basis, I will be uploaded. Thank you.